What's going on YouTube? Brandon Lachuga here. Thought I'd make a quick video on the Mini Coupe Countryman All 4S. Just the interior, kind of what's going on in the front. So over here you can see my wife's driving since it's her car. We have the paddle shifters. So if you push them forward, I'm pretty sure it gears down on both sides. And then the rear, if you pull it back, it'll upshift or shift it to the next gear. And right here you also have the sport mode, so if you click it over, let's see, so I'm going to click it, put it into DS. If I put it back, it puts it right back into D. Over here you have, it's not a touch screen, which kind of sucks. It's one of the things I really don't like about it. Other than that, it's great to have that, but there's this knob right here that controls how you rotate. So as you can see, I can pick the channel, where there's this home button on the left. I can click the home, it'll take us to home, and there's a button on the right that if I click it, it will take us through everything, back to the radio, to the phone, GPS, so on and so forth. So pretty much that's it for that though. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty nice. It comes with, like I said, Bluetooth. You get the maps, the radio, you can hook your telephone up, like I said, the navigation. It's got this little office. I haven't really checked it out. Let's check it out. I guess it's just the information of your contacts. Let's see what the next one is. Connect, I think that's further. Well, let's find out. Roadside assistance and kind of stuff like that. And let's see, vehicle information, that tells you like your gas, or not your gas, your oil change life and stuff like that. And then the settings, clearly the same thing. You can change the colors and stuff. So what's nice about this car though is, oh, what did I do? Let's see. Up here controls the lights. So as you can see, that's your lights, side light, and this changes the colors. So you can watch my hand. It's got orange, yellow, green, lighter green, dark green, oops, sorry, blue, and I think that, yep, that's the one. So those lights go all the way across through here, which is nice. If it wasn't so messy, it'd be easier to see, but it's got good foot space, you know. I can stretch out over here. That's great. Down here is all your controls. So this controls the, sorry, it's like not focusing. Let's see if we can get it to focus. Wow, this thing is being terrible. There we go, holy cow. So this controls the radio, the volume. You have the CD player right here. This is how you can change the channels. So if we were to go to radio, right here, you can see changes the channels, all that stuff. You have the eject button. Right here is how you control the heat. So this is turning it up high, turn it all the way off, control the levels right here. Let me go back. How hot you want it, if you want to turn it down to cooler. This is your, obviously, the windshield. Then if you go to the next button, face, feet, just your feet, nothing, feet, face. So yeah, you can change it all up, which is nice. This button controls the driver window, passenger, lock button, passenger front window, and then the rear seat window. So that's, or actually that's the passenger window, and that's the rear window. Seat warmers right here, 3 different levels, 3 being the hottest, and down to 1 being the lowest, and then off. What are those buttons? Oh, you have your sport mode, your traction control, turn it off, and then your fog lights down here, window lock right there, and like I said, there's the fog lights. So you can see fog lights are on, fog lights are off. So it's really cool. It's a great setup. If you push this button in, that makes the windshield wipers go. Let's do it one more time. If you pull it back, it does the spray. Vice versa with the rear. If you turn it towards you, it does the rear window.
It does the water.
With the fluid.
Yeah.
Yeah, so far, so this car is really great. It's really simple. Like I said, it's got lights everywhere, and there's an aux cord, there's a USB cord, but all that's kind of irrelevant if you're trying to play music, because you can do it through the Bluetooth. But you know, the aux cord is good for charging your phone. Your speedometer is not up there. That's just RPMs.
Well, I do have it on speedometer.
Well, it does have a speedometer right in the center. But this whole thing is your speedometer, which is great. Shows you how much fuel you have. You can check and see how much fuel you have under, you know, settings and stuff, or vehicle information. You can do all of that. So this car really has a lot of features. And I did come to realize I don't think this is even the top of the line one, because the top of the line one comes with a rear view camera. So there's ones that have more features than this, and that's insane. Just because of all the buttons and all the stuff that this has going on up front is just crazy. So yeah, it's also got the push start right there. Push it with your foot on the brake pedal to start it, and then push it twice to turn it completely off. She's got all of her controls on the front: volume, channel, phone, hang up, and then cruise control over here. So it's really a great little car, good on gas mileage and everything. So yeah, I just wanted to do kind of a technology, the front technology of the Mini Coupe, because you know the back really doesn't have too much going on. It's kind of trashed out right now, but it's got the little lights on the handles back there too. This has got the side pocket light too. Oh, you can't really see, it's not dark enough, but like I said, it also has the handle one. It also has the rear, or the front defroster in the front, and then that also does the side of the windows. And then you have 4 heaters for your face, and you can direct them which way you want, turn them off and on, close them, open. It's really great. It's a really good car for, you know, we're in about 9,000 on the car, and it runs great. We haven't had any problems, and the technology is pretty good for it being a 2011. I feel like it actually has more technology than my Challenger did stock. When the Challenger was stock, my 2012 did not have as much technology as hers. So I think this is a pretty good car with technology. It's a little bit different to get used to stuff, because again, the toggle button, which is kind of nice, is down here, kind of for like I said, a safety feature. Just keep it down here for a safety feature, so you don't have to look, you know, you're not trying to press buttons on there or press buttons down here. It's just you turn your hand and you don't have to look down or anything. So that makes it really great. But I hope you like this video. I kind of wanted to make it kind of short and quick, but yeah, I just wanted to show you the features on her Mini Coupe. So I hope you found this video helpful, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for checking out 303 Streets, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.